Hi, I'm Lisa Cleveland from the Wando Mount Pleasant Library. Today I'm going to give you instructions on how to make a tattoo bracelet or choker in your Make and Takes. In your Take and Make, you will receive elastic cord and a binder clip to make your tattoo choker or bracelet. Along with the supplies, you will receive step-by-step instructions. The first step is you're going to take your elastic cord and fold it in half. Then you will attach it to the binder clip. And the best thing to do is have a large book so you can attach it to the book. So you are going to take one of the strings and loop it around the other string and over to make a loop. Then you're going to move the loop all the way to the end of the clip to make your first loop. Now you're going to repeat the step by using your other string. Make another loop. And you're going to move that string loop up. You're going to take the right string, loop it over the other string, and bring it underneath to create a loop. And then do the right string. So you're going to continue weaving until you get to the end of the string. Once you come to the end of the two strings, you're going to double tie a knot to fasten the loops together so the loops stay in place. Once you take it off the clip, you can tie the two ends together, and there's your necklace or a bracelet. And there you have your tattoo bracelet or necklace.